Welcome back, everyone, for another video where we talk about using the pocket option platform to do binary options trading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Consider looking at the previous videos so you know exactly what we've been talking about up until now. If you like the content, smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and as always, the links are in the description if you're looking to sign up for Pocket Option so you can start making that passive income and reach your goals of financial freedom. And let's get into it. Thanks again. So wonderful to see these comments. I certainly appreciate your feedback. It lets me know that you're grasping the content within the videos that I'm uploading each and every day. Should I increase my bet after a loss? I can only speak from my own experience that if I do a trade for $50 and I lose that, I'm probably not going to do a bet or trade for $100 in the next trade to get it back. Why? Because I've lost that before. And when you go 2 times the amount that you've lost, and I know some people do it, but it kind of sets you up for blowing out your account. So me personally, I try to avoid that. If I have done a trade for $50 and I lose that, I'm going to scale down and I'm going to probably bet about $10 and work my way back up slowly. So here again, everybody has their own risk tolerance. It's your money. You can bet as much as you want. You know how much you can afford to lose. But do keep in mind that when you double up your bet to get back what you've lost, you put yourself in a position to where you could blow out your account, and now you find yourself chasing trades and you start to spiral down. So that's just something to keep in mind. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the pocket option signals. You can find them right here. As the window pops out, you can see that there are currencies, commodities, indices, and stocks that you can choose from. The way that you determine whether or not the signal is strong is that you're looking for 2 arrows, whether they are green or red, going up or down. Once you find those 2 arrows, pick the currency, stock, or commodity that you want to trade on. Analyze the overall picture of the price move and where it's at. Start looking at your confirmations and the way that you're going to enter, because the signals go pretty fast. So if you click on a signal and you see you have 2 red arrows going down and you're currently looking at the price movement, you need to wait until the candle finishes and then enter the trade. If you go to another pair, stock, or commodity and the 2 arrows are green, here again, try to analyze the entire picture. Make sure you got your confirmations. Wait for that candle to close and then enter. Signals are not 100%. I used them when I first started out and I don't really use them that much, but they are another alternative that you can use in your trading sessions. Signals will change at the last minute too, so please be aware of that. So I'll take 5 trades using these signals to see how they play out. Okay, guys, for this strategy, we are going to be using 2 moving averages. We're going to change this SMA to 6. And we're going to change the 1 point to yellow and then 2 points. We're going to save that. Then we're going to put on another moving average. We're going to change the SMA to 14. And we're going to make the color white, and we're going to change it to 2 point and save that. Now we're going to use the parabolic SAR indicator. All right, and we're going to change the bottom maximum accelerator to 3. And our style, and we'll make it 2 points. Okay. Okay, so if you see the moving average number 6, which is yellow, cross downward over the white moving average, which is 14, we are looking to take the trade down. Okay. Now, obviously, if you see the yellow moving average, which is number 6, cross up over the white moving average, we're looking to go up. You also want to be looking at the parabolic SAR. When the parabolic SAR dots are above price, then we're looking at a downtrend. So you know you need to be taking a sell. When the parabolic SAR is under price, we're looking to take a buy. Let's see how these trades play out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.